Hello class, welcome to STAT 1200. I am your instructor, William Buellman, and today we're covering section 8.5, determining which method to use for hypothesis testing. Our objective for today is to determine which method to use when performing a hypothesis test. One of the challenges in performing a hypothesis test is to determine which method to use. The first step is to determine which type of parameter we are estimating. We begin by summarizing the types of parameters about which we have learned to perform hypothesis tests for: the population mean and the population proportion. If we are estimating the population mean, there are two methods for performing the hypothesis test: the Z method and the T method. To determine which method is best to use, we determine whether or not the population standard deviation is known, whether the population is approximately normal, and whether the sample size is greater than 30. The diagram can help you below. So this is very similar to the one for confidence intervals, it's just for hypothesis testing. So in the confidence intervals we use the Z method, in hypothesis testing we use the Z test. Similarly for T. If standard deviation is known and n is greater than 30, we can use the Z test, or if the standard deviation is known and the population is approximately normal, again we can use the Z-test. Otherwise, we have to consult a statistician if we're doing this for the population mean. If the standard deviation is not known and n is greater than 30, we can use the T-test. If n is not greater than 30 but the population is approximately normal, we can still use the T-test. If it's not approximately normal, we have to consult a statistician. Again, you will not learn methods in this class to handle that. And the population proportion we covered in section 8.4, and it's pretty obvious when to do that because you will be given a proportion. It will say 85%, 90%, 10%, something like that.